Yeah, towards Denver.
Okay.
Go towards Denver. Evacuate now. East, go. Evacuate.
We're evacuating from the back of the building.
Okay. Everybody head east. Go towards 36. Move now. Leave your stuff. Go. The fire's at the back. Go. Everybody head east. Get out of the store now. When you get on the road, go eastbound.
In the store.
Everybody evacuate the store now.
We're evacuating.
Get out of the store, head eastbound, leave your stuff, go now. Evacuate Costco now, head eastbound, leave your carts, go.
Ayuda, Brujio, pero no tengo carro.
No habla.
Don't have a car.
You don't have a car?
No.
Get in. Back this side. Back door, back door. This door, see.
Follow me. Are these your dogs? No. No? Okay, do you want me to take them?
I guess.
Okay, I'll take them. All right. Come here. Come here. Come here. Puppers, come here. Come here. Come here.
I have 2 cats and a dog.
Okay, they can ride in there.
Okay, do I bring my suitcase or no?
Bring whatever's absolutely essential. I don't have much room, but we can fit what we can. I'll grab this.
Okay.
Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Up you go. Up you go. Oh, go, go, go. Stay, stay. Where's the cat? Okay. All right, this is gonna go up front. Sure. It's gonna be tight.
Sure, that's fine.
When we get out, call your husband. I'll have him meet you. Go back up. Go out Discovery, okay? Go up the hill. You know where the businesses are, the new houses?
Thank you so much for getting me.
Of course, man. That's what we're here for.
I don't know how to drive.
Sheriff's office! Sheriff's office! Sheriff's office! Ma'am, you have to evacuate.
Yeah, we are. We're back. We're
Okay,
back. We're leaving right
let's
now.
load up and let's go, okay? Come on, guys. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Let's go this way, guys.
Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on.